Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from binomial theorem. The question is, find the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion 2 minus x plus 3x square whole power 6. So, this is in the form. Here, you can take this expansion. This can be taken as x plus y whole power n. Sorry, x minus y. Okay, x minus y whole power n. So x minus y whole power n expansion what ma? Nc naught plus nc1 x power n minus 1 y plus, sorry, here minus, no, second term is minus and the third term is plus, nc2 x power n minus 2 y power y square, and again minus nc3 x power n minus 3 y cube, again plus nc4 x power n minus 4 y power 4 minus and so on, plus ncn y power n. So here let x equals to 2 and y equal to x common. This, if you took x common, what left? 1 plus 3x, right? And n is equals to 6. Substitute these all values in this, which implies 6c naught into x power n. X power n. Here x is 2, no? So nc naught is 1. So x is 2, n is 6. So 2 power 6 minus 6c1. X is here what ma? 2. 2 into 6 2 power 6 minus 1 into x into 1 plus, sorry, 1 minus 3x. Next plus 6c2, 2 power 6 minus 2 into x into 1 minus 3x whole square. Next minus 6c3, 2 power 6 minus 3 into x into 1 minus 3x whole cube plus 6c4, 2 power 6 minus 4 into x into 1 minus 3x whole power 4 minus 6c5, 2 power 6 minus 5 into x into 1 minus 3x whole power 5 plus 6c6, 2 power 6 minus 6 into x into 1 minus 3x whole power 6, which implies 2 power 6 minus 6c1. What you will get? Let us write it the same. 6c1, 2 power 6 minus 1 is 5 into x into 1 minus 3x. In this we don't have any x power 4. In each term let us check where we have x power 4. Okay. So in the second term we are not having. Going to the third term, 6c2, 2 power 6 minus 2 is 4 into x square into 1 minus 3x whole square. Right, here x square, and in this expansion again you will get x square. So in this term we are having x power 4 term. Okay, let us see that in the next step. So minus 6c3, 2 cube x cube into 1 minus 3x whole cube, right? Next plus 6c4, 2 square into x power 4 into 1 minus 3x whole power 4 minus 6c5, 2 into x power 5 into 1 minus 3x whole power 5 plus 6c6 is 1 again. So here 2 power 6 minus 6 is 0, means 1, this full 1. So what left? X power 6 into 1 minus 3x whole power 6. Next, which implies, here if you observe, we let us, in the first term clearly we can say there is no 6 power 4 term, and in the in the first term we don't have, in the second term we don't have. In the third term if you observe, you have x square, and here in the expansion you will get x square again. So x square into x square, x power 4. So in the third term you will get an x power 4 term. So let us take in third, fourth and fifth terms. How? Here x power 4 we understood. Here what you will get? X cube, and this is in the form of a minus b whole cube formula. In that if you expand you will get one x value. That x and x cube multiplied means x power 4 you will get. So in this directly you can see it is x power 4. This will be the x power 4 coefficient. So in third, fourth and fifth terms of expansion, we have x power 4. So take the third term, that is 6c2 plus 2 power 4, sorry not plus, 6c2 2 power 4 into x square into 1 minus 3x whole square, which is equals to 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 power 4 is 16 into x square into what you will get, expand this 1 minus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right, which is equals to, this can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 into 16 into multiply this, what you will get, x square plus 9x power 4 minus 6x cube. Okay, 6x cube. So here which implies 4 factorial cancel, 2 in 6 3 times. So 3 5s are 15 into 16 into, this can be rewritten as 9x power 4 minus 6x cube plus x square. If you multiply into this one expression, what you will do, you multiply these two first. Next you will multiply these terms with this multiplied term. So while multiplying that, first you will multiply the 9 with the 15 and 16, right? So that will be the x power 4 coefficient. So what you will get, the coefficient of x power 4 here? Coefficient of x power 4 is 15 into 16 into 9, which is, let us 16 5s, sorry, 15 6 is how much, 80, right? 15 6 is 90, 15 ones 15 nines 24, so 240 into 9, 9 zeros 9, 9 4s 36 3, 9 2s are 18 3, 21, which is equals to 2160. This is the third term coefficient of x power 4. Next coming to fourth term. What is the fourth term in the expansion here? 1 2 3, and this is the fourth, minus 6c3 2 cube x cube 1 minus 3x whole cube, right? Let us expand this minus 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 8, 2 cube is 8, x cube into a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube means what you will get? A cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square, which implies 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 6 minus 3 is 3 factorial into 3 factorial is again 3 factorial if you take. This is 8 x cube into this, what you will get, 1 minus 27x cube minus 3 is a 9x plus 9x square, which implies 3 factorial cancel, 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 factorial is 6 into 8 into multiply this x cube minus 27x cube into x cube is x power 6, because x power m into x power n equals to x power m plus n. Using that, these both 27 will get the same, but the x power will be changed. So this what you will get, minus 9 x power 4, right? This and this. Next, plus 9 x power 5 you will get. Now in this, 6 cancel. 5 4's how much? 20 into 8. Rewrite this to get the first term x power 4 letters, otherwise the highest term. Otherwise you can write in the same way, that is 20 into 18 into x cube minus 27 x power 6 minus 9 x power 4 plus 9 x power 5. So in this, what is the x power 4 coefficient? 9. Sorry, here minus must be there, no? Minus, minus, minus. So here again minus. So minus into minus plus you will get, and 20 into, so coefficient of x power 4 is what you will get, 20 into 8 into 9. Sorry, minus 20 into, what you will get, plus you will get 9 8 is 72 into 20, that is 1440 you will get. So 1440. This is what, this is the fourth term x power 4 coefficient. Fourth term x power 4 coefficient. Next we are having in fifth term, right? So what is the fifth term here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So 6c4, 2 square x power 4 into 1 minus 3x whole power 4, which implies 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 2 square is nothing but 4 into x power 4 into 1 minus 3x whole power 4, right? So which implies 6 factorial into 5 into 4 factorial by 6 minus 4 is 2 into 4 factorial into 4 into x power 4. This how we can expand in the form of 1 minus x whole power n formula. What is that? nc naught minus nc1 x plus nc2 x square minus nc3 x cube plus and so on, right? Using that, this can be how we can write 1 minus 3x whole power 4 equals to 4c0 minus 4c1, 3x here x is, so 3x plus 4c2 3x whole square minus 4c3 3x whole cube, right? Plus 4c4 3x whole power 4. This is the expansion for this. Okay. In this we are having 3x power 4, 3x whole power 4. So you will get 3x power 4 here. But if you multiply by x power 4 again, what happens to this? It converts to x power 8. So only we are having x power 4 this term only. Okay. So which implies 4 factorial cancel, 2 in 6 3 times, 3 5s are 15 into 4. 1 minute. So here just we are having 15 and 4 for this. So what is the product here? Coefficient of x power 4 is 15 into 4, which is equals to 60. So here we are having in 3 terms, we are having x power 4 coefficient. So for that what we have to do? We have to add all the 3 coefficients so that we will get the coefficient of x power 4 in the total expansion. Okay. Which implies x power 4, x power 4 coefficient of x power 4 in the whole expansion is what we got the values here. The third term we got 2160, fourth term 1440, 2160 plus 1440 plus 60. So 0000, 6 plus 4 10 plus 6 16, 1 carry forward, 5 plus 1 6, 3, 3660. Understood? This is the coefficient of the x power 4 in the whole expansion. Understood? You can, by seeing this, don't feel it is big. If you understand directly, you can skip some of the steps and you can do the problem. Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.